Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Immigrants to the United States of America in recent times, in past times, in ancient times, has been a controversy in the United States of America. Why is it a controversy? Politicians want to get votes. They can't get votes from love, they try hate. Almost 40 to 50% of Fortune 1,000, 2,000 corporations are businesses started by immigrants to the United States of America, naturalized citizens. In the City University of New York, the GED program, the pass rate for immigrants for the GED certificate is almost 90%, and for those who are born in America, it's 50%. The list goes on. The top scholars in schools in the United States of America are foreign-born. In fact, the United States of America, by the year 2050, will be 51% immigrant and 49% naturally born in the United States of America. America has been and will always be a country of immigrants. However, the policies of the Biden administration, the policies of the Trump administration does not fully recognize the contributions by immigrants to the United States of America. On the one hand, Biden needs to obviously address the issues at the border, but on the other hand, we need to have an immigration system that is fair to people who are fear of people who are fleeing countries where obviously it is not good to be a democratic kind of person, i.e. dictatorships or places where war exists. In the United States of America, traditionally, immigrants have been welcome for the most part. At one time, they didn't want the Italians, the Irish, the Chinese. Hey, everyone, had their issues with the U.S. government for one reason or the other. African Americans were brought here as slaves. People from the Caribbean have migrated to the United States of America, but most of them who are black, obviously, have the same issues that African Americans have, i.e. discrimination. So whether an immigrant to the United States come from the Caribbean, Africa, Latin America, they all face similar issues. America should obviously be more open to immigrants. From a business point of view, from a worker point of view in terms of workers with the kind of skills that America is not producing, and also for farm workers. Hey, KKK Russian Trump, that I call him sometimes, actually most times, when he was asked about who is going to do the farm work in the U.S. if immigrants cannot come to the U.S., he mumbled. And that is a pattern that he has had for many years. A pattern of mumbling. Someone who does not know what to talk about in terms of making America greater again. America is a great nation. America does offer opportunities. America is working on its issues such as diversity, equality, and inclusion in a better way than it did in the past. So I say to my listeners, listen to our program each and every week. On our program, we're going to have guests that deal with all the issues, not only concerning immigrants, but concerning all Americans, especially those in New York City. Whether you want to save your home from foreclosure, should you lose your home, whether you want to get rid of your debts in a bankruptcy proceeding, Chapter 7. A lot of people have huge medical debts throughout the U.S. How do you get rid of that debt? How do you deal with a debt that is associated with your life savings, and your life itself? There are solutions, legal solutions to most of our problems. What we need to do in this show each and every week, and which we do, is talk about the issues that impact you here in New York City. Whether you were born in America, whether you immigrated to America, or whether you're just passing through America. Our show, Ask the Lawyer, deals with those issues each and every week. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy today's program.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.